Industries, headquartered in Berkeley, Illinois, was founded in 1964. With a focus on decorative injection molded plastics, KI quickly became a leading supplier to the major appliance industry. Today, KI supplies a wide range of products to the appliance, automotive, plumbing, and electronics industries. KI ships products to global market leaders on 4 continents, from manufacturing facilities in Taiwan, China, and Mexico. The Querétaro, Mexico facility opened in 1999 with 6 injection molding machines. The plant was expanded to 30,000 square feet in 2007, nearly doubling the original size. Today, it houses 24 molding machines, ranging in size from 40 to 450 tons. With single-shot, 2-shot, and gas-assist molding capabilities, we are able to meet almost any molding requirement. With the addition of a state-of-the-art paint system in November of 2008, Industrias KI de Mexico now has the ability to provide almost any finish required. Our paint system is the result of almost a year of planning that started with the research of our current as well as our targeted customers, and then using the information gathered to design a system with the maximum versatility and flexibility to meet the varied needs of the market. The system is housed within a fully enclosed, environmentally controlled room. The temperature and humidity are monitored and maintained at the optimal conditions. Filtered air is constantly circulated in the room to maintain a positive pressure environment to keep airborne contaminants from entering the room. The process begins with the construction of racks and fixtures designed specifically for the particular part. The part size, geometry, and the surface required to be painted determine the complexity and cost of the paint racks. Any masking requirements are also considered when designing the paint racks. Trained personnel load the parts on the racks, being careful to handle the parts so that the surface to be painted is not damaged or contaminated in any way. Our system is designed to paint a variety of part sizes and shapes with the highest quality and consistency. We are able to paint parts up to 800 millimeters long, 800 millimeters wide, and up to 150 millimeters high. The system can accommodate a range of parts from large appliance door handles to small buttons for interior automotive applications. Each pallet has electronic read-write data tags that the intelligent conveyor system uses to identify the rack and automatically routes it through the proper process for that specific pallet or rack. This enables us to paint different parts at the same time, even though they may require different paints and cure times. Proper preparation of the surface to be painted is critical to providing a finished part that meets the cosmetic and performance requirements. The ionized air wash and flame pretreatment stations ensure a high-quality surface appearance and adhesion on almost any material. The air wash removes any airborne contaminants that may have settled on the part's surface, while the flame pretreatment activates the part's surface, which facilitates the proper interaction with the chemicals in the paint to ensure proper adhesion. One of the keys to successful painting is the proper mixing of the paint. The paint is mixed in the paint kitchen using paint manufacturers' guidelines and specifications. A highly skilled technician mixes the proper ratios of paint, solvent, and catalyst. The paint mixture is then delivered to the paint booths with the pressure and volume controlled automatically. These settings are programmed into the system's controllers, and this data is stored in the system database to facilitate and ensure repeatable setup from production run to production run. The system is equipped with 2 supply lines to each booth and is capable of applying solvent-based paints, as well as the more environmentally friendly waterborne paints. There are 2 paint cabins, each equipped with 2 sets of spray guns with 2-axis robots. The distance between the spray arms and the parts being painted can be adjusted for optimum coverage of the part's surface. The angles of the guns are adjusted to provide for the most exact application process critical for those parts which require laser etching of backlit graphics after painting. The dual sets of spray guns enable us to apply up to 4 layers or colors of paint without needing to make time-consuming changeovers. The intelligent conveyor system reads the data tag and picks the rack from the pallet to be moved into the paint booth. Since only the rack goes into the paint booth and not the moving parts of the conveyor system, scrap caused by overspray accumulating on the conveyor being carried from booth to booth is eliminated. The guns move automatically over the parts, delivering the specified volume of paint at the appropriate pressure. After each pass of the spray guns, the rack is rotated to ensure that each surface is covered and the proper paint film thickness is applied consistently over the part surface. Since the paint is applied by spraying down on the parts, this maximizes the efficiency of the water wash cleanup system. Gravity draws the overspray down into the moving water, which removes excess paint from the booth, further reducing or eliminating contamination from overspray. The process does not end with the application of the paint. The proper curing of the paint is also critical to the appearance and performance of the painted part. The temperature of the cure ovens can be precisely controlled in a range from 40 to 80 degrees Celsius. The system is equipped with 4 curing lines. The travel speed of the lines can be adjusted independently to provide cure times of 20 to 40 minutes. This enables us to utilize the flexibility of the system to accommodate the appropriate cure times as specified by the paint manufacturer, even when painting different parts at the same time. As the parts exit the cure ovens, they are unloaded from the racks and packed as finished goods or moved to the finishing department where it will be printed, laser etched, or assembled with other components. Understanding the high visibility of our decorative painted parts, we have established testing capabilities to ensure our customers' high-quality standards will be met. Our in-house testing capabilities reach beyond the standard tests for film thickness, color match, and gloss level, adhesion, and abrasion performance. We have the ability to conduct other performance testing of the painted surface, including food stain, grease, bleach, and detergent resistance. Supported with KI Lab facilities in Chicago, additional testing can be conducted. Our thermal cycle chamber allows us to expose products to a temperature range of -75 to 155 degrees Celsius for extended periods of time. The thermal cycle chamber allows us to perform many of our customers' specified testing requirements, which require testing at elevated or frigid temperatures such as household product stain resistance, chemical resistance, thermal shock tests, and long-term heat resistance. For laser-etched products, our spectroradiometer allows us to measure light intensity as well as daytime and nighttime color of backlight products. Whether your parts require waterborne or solvent-borne paint technology, single or multi-layer paint application, we can be the solution to your painting needs. This state-of-the-art paint system, coupled with skilled technicians and dedicated personnel, enable us to provide our customers with the highest quality parts at a competitive price. With our multi-shot molding capability and our other finishing processes, pad printing, laser etching, and multi-component assembly, your design options are limitless. Our Advanced Design Services Department can even help you with those difficult part design issues. When your next project calls for a painted plastic part, whatever it takes, KI can finish the job.